everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on Etoro.com account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Now in the URL box, type in Etoro.com. Press enter on your keyboard and then you will be able to end up in the official website for Etoro. If you've not logged into the account already, go ahead and do it first, and once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top left hand corner. Now, soon after you give it a click, you should be able to see your profile picture along with your username. Click on the camera icon right above the profile picture and select one of the pictures you'd like to use as your profile picture from your library. After making a selection, you'll be able to see the picture preview of your profile picture. Adjust and resize the image as you like and then click on upload. Wait for a few seconds and then you will be able to upload a profile picture for yourself or change to a new profile picture on Etoro. So that's how easy it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.